Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Discord for trading in Grow a Garden. First, find and join a reputable Discord server dedicated to the game. Once inside, take a moment to verify your account if required and thoroughly read all server rules. This ensures a smooth experience for everyone. Next, navigate to the designated trading channels, which are usually clearly labeled. These channels are where all the trading action happens, connecting you with other players. Understanding the basics of trading etiquette is key to successful exchanges. Familiarize yourself with common trading terms and abbreviations used by the community. When posting, make your offers clear and concise, stating exactly what you have and what you are looking for. Always respond to inquiries and offers politely, even if you are not interested. Good communication fosters a positive trading environment for all participants. Once you have found a trading partner, agree on the specific terms of your exchange. This includes the exact items and quantities involved. It is crucial to always use the secure in-game trading system to complete your transaction. This protects both parties from potential issues. Before you finalize anything, double-check all the trade details within the game to ensure everything matches your agreement. This prevents any misunderstandings. To ensure a safe and positive trading experience, always conduct your trades exclusively through the game's built-in secure system. Never share personal information or trade outside of the game. If you encounter any suspicious activity or potential scams, report them immediately to the Discord server moderators. Finally, remember to be patient. Good trades often take time. Avoid making rushed decisions that you might regret later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.